We're on the flight now, so I think I'm going to end this clip right here, and we'll see you in the next episode when we're in France. Peace out. Stuck in the airport and it's very, very busy. Trying to get my full passport control done.
There was a full-on flight. Yes.
Let's go then. Keep me held.
Nice outfit to get today.
This looks amazing. I need the toilet so bad.
Am I in focus? I am not. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. We're in France now. We've just got off our first morning. Last night we slept. I was getting off the plane and the bus. The view outside is absolutely mad. So we're going to go downstairs, have some breakfast, and then we'll go out and get our ski stuff. So I'll see you then. Peace.
Go get ready.
Travis is here, as you can see him.
Yeah, you gotta get ready.
Ready? Morning. The view outside is mad. Look at that. Oh, just look, you can see that the sun's coming over the mountains. It's tasty. So,
There's your dreaded light.
there's the thing that kept me up all night. We're gonna go and get our ski stuff, equipment. Why isn't it focusing? Right, we're gonna get our ski stuff on now, get our equipment, and then I'm gonna use the GoPro to get some shots. So I'll see you when we're on the slopes. Peace out, Travis.
No, I don't need your first one.
Leave it, go fast, go fast.